Hey, let's show them what we're about tonight. Let's go. You see on me, you see on three. 1, 2, 3. You see. Green 3, green 3, green 3. 300, 300, 300, Vegas. Come back. Blue 2. Hey, blue 2. Blue 2. Second. 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 Down. Second. Down. Second. Look quick. Look quick. 60, 60, 60. Hawaii, Hawaii. Second. Touchdown! Let's go, boy! Hey, they can't stop us. They can't stop us, boy. I got you, boy. I feel like it's the guy on the left.
It's more the guy on the left.
Yeah, I feel like it is.
Because if you snap it when the guy's too far away, then it, the defense can read everything. And you should have saw them all coming and just.
Caleb made a nice catch on that one. That's what I threw it behind him because the backer just flew out. He went right away.
Just keep doing what we do. We're gonna score. Yeah.
300. Jesus, Jesus. Purple 11. Purple 11. Red 7. Red 7. Red 7. Second.
Number 7, get 12 power.
Second. Second.
So that pass is complete.
You good? No, you good?
No one's surprised. They throw it at walk.
I know.
Everything's still good on offense. They can't stop us. Just do your thing. Stay calm. You're good.
Lock up. Let's go. Hey, let's get a stop. Watch the jump ball.
Hawaii, Ohio, or Hammer.
60, 60, 60. Hey, Lake. 550, 550. Be ready for it. Second. 300, Dodger. 300. Second.
Hey, we got to score. Anything on third, bro?
Huh?
Anything on third?
No, you guys are doing good. Hey, we're starting. Hey, Rogers, rodeo.
Brought down by.
Second. Abdullah out. Rib weak. Plastic. Just block. Second. Yeah!
Centurions. Quick work of the gap. No surprise, the pass was to Gunnar.
Hey!
It's a touchdown.
I love football because competition and all the brotherhood that we make with the team. I mean, it's so great being out here every day with these guys. I mean, I love it every single day.